in the Heart of the Word. Reflections by Father Joseph Mary, SCTJM, on the daily readings from the Holy Mass, Saturday of the first week of Ordinary Time. Trust in His merciful love.
God bless you, dear family. Today in the Heart of the Word, Jesus enters the customs post in Galilee. Jesus has healed a leper, has exorcised a demon, He's even forgiven and healed a sinner. But today, He calls one. Jesus enters into Matthew's life and simply tells him, "Follow me." And he got up and followed Jesus. My brothers and sisters, Jesus has a plan for our lives, a plan of merciful love. It is not so important where we have been or what we have done. When Jesus comes into our life, all that matters is that we receive Him, that we receive His love, that we listen to His voice, that we trust in His goodness, and as Our Lady said in Cana of Galilee, do whatever He tells you. And as St. Augustine came to know and to believe with all his heart, after a very long pilgrimage of faith, it is true that every saint has a past. What really matters is that every sinner has a future, when we trust in the merciful love of Jesus. Alleluia. Let us listen to these words of Mother Adela. Christ is the face of mercy. His heart is the fount of mercy. His words are the truth that set us free, that allow us to receive the freedom which is the most powerful effect of mercy. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart of Mary.